How to fix Temu app no internet and no network connection. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. If not, you can also switch between networks, that is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. Next, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Temu. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue was fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device. Now, tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Temu application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app, and by now your Temu app should be working just fine. So, if you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.